Welcome to online classes from KB Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 9 subject biology chapter 1, and the name of this chapter is the fundamental unit of life, cell. So inside chapter 1, the fundamental unit of life, cell, we are going to describe about basic structure of cell. So inside basic structure of cell, first of all, cell membrane. I am going to describe first of all cell membrane. So first of all, have to know that what is cell membrane. Means the cell membrane is also called plasma membrane. Cell membrane is also called plasma membrane. Is an outer selectively permeable. Cell membrane is also called plasma membrane, and plasma membrane is outer selectively permeable membrane of the cell. The cytoplasm lies inside the plasma membrane. Cytoplasm lies inside the plasma membrane and contains a number of highly organized cell organelles. So it contains highly organized cell organelles inside them. All these features make cell efficient. All these features inside the cell make cell efficient to the interact with the outer environment and carry out various activities inside the cell. Then nucleus present inside the cell can be seen under light microscope. Nucleus present inside the cell can be seen with the help of microscope. When we use microscope, then we can see clearly the nucleus inside the cell. Then all the cell organelles can be observed under electron microscope. Then remaining cell organelles can be observed under the electron microscope, but through only light microscope nucleus can be seen. So after this I am going to tell you about cell membrane in detail. So cell membrane or plasma membrane is outer covering of cell. Cell membrane or plasma membrane is outer covering of cell and is present in the cells of plants. Cell membrane is present in the cells of plants, animals and microorganism. That means microorganism, animal and cells of plant, in all these the cell membrane are present. So it separates the cell membrane from its surrounding environment. Cell membrane separates cells from surrounding environment. Then in plant cell, the cell membrane is surrounded by rigid and tough cell wall. It is surrounded by rigid and tough cell wall. Whereas in animal cell, it is only outermost covering of cell. In animal cell, it is only outermost covering of cell. So the cell membrane is living. What is cell membrane? Cell membrane is living, ultra thin, elastic and selectively permeable membrane. It is made up of lipid, protein and carbohydrate. It is made up of lipid, protein and carbohydrates. It has fine pore through which substances may enter or leave the cell. That means plasma membrane have fine pores through which substances leave or enter inside the cell. The thickness of the cell membrane is about 7 nanometer. Thickness of the cell membrane is about 7. How much? 7 nanometer. Then because of this dimension, it is not visible under a light microscope. Under electron microscope, The detailed structure of cell membrane can be seen. So, the cell membrane is made up of lipid, protein, cholesterol and polysaccharides. So, this is the explanation of cell membrane or plasma membrane. After this, tomorrow I tell you the model, the fluid mosaic model to explain the cell membrane. I think that this much enough. Thanks.